What's going on, guys? Back with another video. So, you see in the background, I installed the living room fan. Probably should have cleaned up the living room a bit before I recorded this, but I just put the baby down for a nap. So, I think it came out great. Now, I wired it so that it has a remote. I didn't cut any of the harness or anything. Now, it has a power switch for the fan motor, and then it's supposed to have another switch for the light, the dimmable light. But the way I wired it, I wired the whole system, or the whole fan, the motor, and the light onto just that toggle switch because it has a remote. Now, it's nice because we can just turn off that switch and then turn them both off. And then with the remote, we can control them individually. I'm not sure if I like that because upstairs I like that in case we're in bed and we want the fan on, but we turn off the light and yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go back up there and change that. But I end up getting that done and it's nice. It's a pretty nice fan. I like it. At first I wasn't too sure about it, but I think it kind of completes the whole living room. Kind of finishes it off, but I think it looks great. Our bedroom and then the baby's bedroom as well, what I'll be doing. And I don't think I had mentioned these, but I end up putting these on as well. They're nice. They're like the gold to match the pulls on the cabinets. Those are pretty simple to do as well. I think they look great. They kind of finish, let's see if I can stand up back a little bit. They kind of finish the kitchen. At first I didn't really like them, but now I do. And these are dimmable as well, which is nice. I like those bulbs as well. Tori ended up picking those out. But yeah, so I ended up finishing that. So let's get on to the other fans in the other rooms. What's up, guys? It's a new day. On to another project. Like I was saying, putting up the other fans. So we're in the master now. And we got the fan. So I have to rewire it because I just did the baby's room and I figured out how to wire it to the separate switches. So we can use this switch as the light switch and it's dimmable, and then this switch for the fan motor. Right now, they're both ran off of that main switch, which in our room, it's not a big deal because we have a remote. So one fan to turn on and then to use the remote to control the light and the fan separately is actually nice because in case we forget to turn off the light, we can just use the remote instead of getting completely out of bed. So now thinking about it, I think I might just go ahead and leave it how it is and just have them both ran off of one switch so we can use a remote to control them separately. But going on to the baby's room, and she's helping me. Are you helping me put it together? Yeah. So with that being said, I wired hers on two separate switches, which is nice because her fan doesn't have a remote that comes with it. So we can turn off the light with the middle switch. And then the fan is on this switch. And obviously the blades aren't on yet, but you can see it's spinning. And then I turned it off and it turns off. So I'm gonna finish putting together the fan blades, mount them up there, and we're gonna call this a wrap right there. So that was just the fans putting up. I don't think I mentioned downstairs I had put like, I think they're called like pendulum lights or whatever over the island, and I'd mounted those. They actually look really good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the rest of this fan together And yeah, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Say bye, baby.